Hello, welcome to this short tutorial on using the Web 2.0 tool called Gliffy. So you will come to www.gliffy.com. Gliffy is a really neat Web 2.0 tool that allows you to create floor plans and to draw very nice flowcharts and things like this. Hopefully after you use this for the workshop, you can think of some ways that you might be able to even use this in your classroom with your students because they will love to be doing the drawing using this Web 2.0 tool. To get started, you will create an account. I think that's fairly self-explanatory. You'll need to provide an email address and a password. Then you're going to log in. So I'm just going to log in here. This Web 2.0 tool really has a very nice interface. So as soon as it loads up, you're going to see all of the different documents that you have. Of course, when you log in for the first time, you're not going to have any documents. I'm going to choose New Document, just like you would. And now I'm going to type in the name of my new document. And maybe I'll just call it, let's call it Ideal One-to-One Classroom Blueprint. And then I'm going to choose OK. And a new document is going to be created for me. Up here we have the tools that allow me to write text, to choose things. This is the chooser tool. First I'm going to use the square tool here to create a square for my classroom. Now, over here we have all the tools. So, for example, here are the floor plan tools, just a bunch of different icons that you can use. So let's come down here to Office Layout, and you will see here, you can just drag here, and you can see that there are all different icons that you can use. I'm just going to start, and here's a flow chart, here's a bunch of icons that you can use. Again, if you click through here, you're going to see all different kinds of different little icons that you can use for your drawing. I'm going to come down here to Basic Shapes. I'm going to drag this over and say that's my teacher's desk. Then perhaps I have some student desks. I'm going to drag these in here. Now remember, what you're doing is that you are creating your ideal classroom one-to-one learning and teaching blueprint for your classroom. So you want to make sure that you're drawing this and creating this such that your students are able to see the whiteboard. Let's say the whiteboard is here, and you could even represent it there by dragging and dropping this and resizing it. You can just grab the little handles on the edge of the tool. Let's say that this is your screen or your whiteboard where you do your projection. You want to make sure all your students can see the whiteboard. You want to make sure that you can easily walk around the room among the students. You're going to want to indicate where are the outlets in your room because your students are going to need outlets for being able to plug in their laptops. So you're going to want to indicate those. And again, I'm just mocking this up for you. Okay, after you finish, you're going to want to annotate it using the text tool. So for example, I'm going to write teacher's desk. You can annotate this entire classroom. Then when you finish, you're going to press right here this blue button that says save. You'll save it, and then you'll share it. By sharing it, you'll come down here where it says web page. Click on web page, and lo and behold, here's the web page that you have created using the Gliffy tool. Copy the URL, and then you are going to paste that into the area in the one-to-one classroom course in the forum where you're going to add that. I hope that this tutorial has been helpful to you, and I hope that you have a wonderful time, a fun time using the tool Gliffy. Again, our purpose here is to mock the classroom up, create a floor plan such that you have an ideal one-to-one learning environment. Thank you.